Hello, here's SWC team and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, progress of new technological section and boarding platform. YUST Incorporated has signed cooperation agreement with one of the leading universities in Belarus. YUST Incorporated has renewed International Quality Management System certificate. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. At the uSky Center, the construction of section for Unimobile's routine maintenance and repair has moved to the final stage. This is where the testing, development, and commissioning of YUST rolling stock will take place. Suspended platform for boarding and disembarkation of Unimobile passengers is also being finalized. The capacity when the facility is operational will be 2,500, 3,000 passengers per hour. The delegation of the Faculty of Marketing, Management, and Entrepreneurship of the Belarusian National Technical University visited the YUST Incorporated office. At the meeting, Nadezhda Kozareva, Director General of YUST, and Alexei Danilchenko, Dean of the Faculty, signed an agreement on cooperation in scientific and educational area. YUST Incorporated has successfully recertified its quality management system for compliance with the requirements of ISO 900-12015 international standard. The audit was carried out by experts of an independent certification body, Norm Service LLC. The organization acts as an official representative of the German certification body, TÜV Thüringen in Belarus. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.